Alright, so now that we've reviewed the elements of a Shakespearean sonnet, and we've reviewed our literary devices, we're going to put our theory into practice here. So I want to spice it up, make things a little bit more fun for you. You guys have been sitting too long. So we're going to get into groups. And each group is going to be given a sonnet. We're going to have you look at that sonnet, and then we're going to have you come up and perform the sonnet in front of the class. So I want you to be as dramatic as possible. You can divide it up however you want. You can give each person a quatrain if you'd like. You can do it however you'd like, but I want you to give it some effort, decide what tone you're going to go with, and let the class know, how you're feeling about this poem. So we're just going to make it easy. We're going to do these four. You guys will be group 1. I'll have you 4 be group 2. And since group 1 went first last time, and we're running a little short on time, we'll have you guys go tomorrow on sonnet 66. And we'll have you guys perform sonnet 116 today. So we'll give you a few minutes to discuss who's going to do which part. And we'll have you come in front of the class. So maybe since we have it up here today and you guys are going to be reading, we can have you go behind class. Would that make it easier for you? Alright, and then while they're discussing who's into what, you guys start taking a look at the sonnet here and start looking at what you think the tone is, some of the literary devices that are used, and then what you think this poem is about. Alright? So break. Go into your groups. Guys want to split up into quatrains?
What does that mean?
The 4
lines.
I figured.
And then we
So
have a couple.
each person does a quatrain and then there's a couple of them, which we already discussed in the previous part of the lesson. You guys both ready? You guys are discussing what you think the poem's about? Getting there? We'll put some drama to it, it'll make it a little bit easier.
We're just supposed to read it?
Give a few actually, if you can. So up. Well, then maybe we'll have you guys, would it be easier to stand up here then? Okay, we'll have you stand up here.
Why don't we stand right there?
Yeah.
And then you can be close.
That would be perfect. We'll be the audience.
There we go. We'll just go in order.
That works. Alright, whenever you're ready. Unless it's your seat. I thought that was your seat. That's really cool.
Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love, which alerts when it altering finds or bends with the remover to remove.
Oh no, it is an ever-fixed mark that looks on tempests and is never shaken. It is a star to every wandering bark, whose worth's unknown, although his height be taken.
Love's not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks within his bending sickle's compass come. Love alters not with his brief hours and weeks, but bears it out even to the edge of doom.
If this be error and upon me proved, I never writ, nor no man ever loved.
Great job, group. Thank you. So you guys can take a seat. And as a group, we're kind of just going to break this down and discuss it. Because Shakespeare's sonnets are pretty complex. There's a lot of information here. So now that the group had a chance to put some drama to it, what do you guys think the overall tone is this? Raise your hand and let me know. Sarah,
I think that he's pretty upset.
you think he's upset in this poem?
Yes, because it says love is not love, so it has to be hate, which means that he's really upset with this person.
I'm not sure that's necessarily about hate, but hold on to that thought. Does anyone else have another idea of what this might be about? Lauren?
I think it's trying to define what love is and how he sees, how he's trying to express his love to this person.
So Sarah, do you see kind of how, he's not saying that love's not love, but Lauren kind of explained that he's kind of trying to explain that he can't love without these other feelings?
I guess.
Maybe someone else can help you out. Diane, you have an idea?
Basically, it's kind of that love, if you really love someone, you love everything about them. Not just like the good parts, and then they have bad parts that you're constantly trying to fix. You love them even though they have those annoying things, and you don't, if you really love somebody, you don't try to change them.
Great. Good job. We're done.
Okay.
Wrap it up.